Ever missed a bird because your binoculars were too bulky? Struggling to focus at concerts or sporting events? Tired of carrying heavy gear on hikes and trips? Kids can't use your binoculars. Too big? Too hard to adjust? Blurry images ruining your bird-watching mornings? Low light conditions making everything look dull and dark? Wishing for a compact option for spontaneous adventures? Sharing binoculars with family but they never fit everyone? Missing out on details at theater performances? Want to keep binoculars handy, but they don't fit anywhere? Introducing Hontry 10x25 Compact Binoculars. Enjoy perfect 10x magnification. See closer without shaky images. Back 4 prisms deliver stunning 3D depth and sharp detail. Experience clear, bright images even in low light. Weighs only 0.6 pounds, about the size of your palm. Slip them easily into your pocket, bag, or glove box. Adjustable interpupillary distance fits both kids and adults. Everyone in the family can enjoy the view together. Perfect for birdwatching, hiking, and exploring nature. Don't miss a moment at concerts or sporting events. Catch every detail at the theater or during travel. No more blurry views. Enjoy crisp, vibrant images every time. Back 4 prisms ensure brightness, even at dusk or dawn. Versatile for both outdoor adventures and indoor excitement. Take them on cruises, camping trips, or city tours. Keep them in your car for spontaneous sightseeing. Lightweight design means no more shoulder or neck strain. Share the excitement. Kids can easily use them too. Adjust the fit in seconds for any family member. Never miss wildlife in your backyard again. Waiting at the airport? Discover new sights around you. Hontry binoculars are always ready for your next adventure. No more excuses. Explore the world anytime, anywhere. See birds' feathers, players' moves, actors' expressions clearly. Easy to pack, easy to carry, easy to use. Ideal for travelers, nature lovers, and event enthusiasts. Never worry about missing out on special moments. Enjoy the freedom of hands-on discovery with every outing. Upgrade from heavy, outdated binoculars today. Hontry's compact size means convenience without compromise. No more frustration adjusting oversized binoculars for kids. Smooth focus wheel for quick, precise adjustments. Perfectly fits your lifestyle, wherever you go. From mountains to music festivals, always be prepared. Enjoy peace of mind with reliable, durable construction. Take them from your backyard to your next vacation. Great for birders, hikers, and sports fans alike. See more, experience more, remember more. No more squinting or missing out on distant action. Hontry binoculars bring the world closer to you. Let your curiosity lead. These binoculars follow. Share magical moments with friends and family. Compact enough for daily carry, powerful enough for adventure. Enjoy effortless viewing, indoors and outdoors. A must-have for every traveler's backpack. Discover hidden details wherever you are. Perfect companion for spontaneous road trips. Lightweight means you'll never leave them behind. Bring excitement to everyday life, not just special trips. Easy for kids to handle, fun for adults too. Your one-stop solution for all viewing needs. Never feel left out at events again. Hontry binoculars make every experience richer. Bright, clear, and steady images every single time. Enjoy the world in vivid detail wherever you are. No more heavy, inconvenient binoculars holding you back. Upgrade your adventures with Hontry's compact power. See further, see clearer, see more. Make every outing memorable with Hontry binoculars. Ready to see the world differently? Choose Hontry today.